Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Well, I love making crafts with recycled materials, and I saw this great post on this website called The Sway. Now, I want to make sure that I get the website correct. It's www.thesitsgirls.com. So it's thesitsgirls.com. And they made this adorable paper bag star, and I'm going to teach you how to make it right now. For this project, you will need 7 or 8 paper bags, all the same size, a hot glue gun, scissors, yarn, and hole punch. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bags, and depending on the size, you'll need either 7 or 8 of these, and you want to line them up all going in exactly the same direction. So as you can see, I'm making it so that they all have that little bottom facing up. This flap bottom is facing up. And I'm going to start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll see if we have to add the 8th one. When they're smaller, you sometimes have to add the 8th one. I'm going to take my glue gun, and I'm going to make a letter T with the glue. So this is along the bottom. This is the opening end, and this is the closed end. I'm going to put this along the bottom of the closed end, and I'm going to make a letter T. And then I'm just going to lay my bag, my second bag, right on top. And then I'm going to repeat this for each of the bags. This is 7, and what I'm going to do now is just open this up. Okay, so we just open it up, and as you can see, this is going to need one more bag. So that was 7. So this one's going to need an 8th one. So once again, lay it down, and I'm going to put a T. Depending on the size of your bags, will tell you if you need 7 or 8. And the reason that I had a little sticking is because, see how this has a cut in it? When I took my glue to the top, it went over that, where that cut was, and that's why I had a little bit of sticking. But that's very easy to fix. Okay, so now I'm going to just test it and make sure that it opens all the way. There we go. So you can see that opens all the way. Now I'm going to give it a little flower shape by closing it back up again and kind of make a little mark here about 2.5, 3 inches down. Here's the center of my bag. Here's my little mark that I made with my finger. And I'm just going to take my scissors and just cut a little arch. Just cut that corner off, basically, with a very, very, very shallow arch. There we go. So that now when I open it up, it looks more like the petals of a flower or a star. You can see. And now all I need to do is one more time, do that letter T. Make sure you're doing it on the right one. Put your finger inside here. Put your finger inside here, and open that up and secure. And just put your hands inside here until it dries. Doesn't take very long, about 30 seconds. And now, at the final place where I just glued, I'm going to take my hole punch. I'm going to slide this in, give it a little hole punch. Take my string, string it through, and pull it through. Tie it off with a little knot. Cut off the extra. And there you have it. The lowly paper bag has become a beautiful star decoration. I have to send a big shout out and thank you to The Sway for inspiring this fabulous piece of decor. And remember, if you've got great ideas that you want to share with me so I can check them out and maybe share them back again with you, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.